butterfly effect. Most of us have heard of it before, but it wasn't until I truly took the time to understand it that my life changed for the better. The butterfly effect is the idea that small actions can cause huge, unpredictable reactions over time. But what does this look like in real life? Imagine you start cooking and eating healthy for yourself. You actually find it quite interesting, so you end up studying food science at college. You make a new friend in that class, and suddenly you start a business together. But if you didn't pick up that frying pan, there would be no business, no friend, and probably no food science degree. Now, this is obviously just one example of many, many possibilities, but I think it gives a great idea of what can really happen. And even more importantly, it tells us that a single moment can become the turning point of everything that follows.